Welcome to the 4-Minute Daily Tarot. This is going to be for Wednesday, March 20th. Let's take a look at the spread today. The first card we get is the Chariot, which is funny because that came out yesterday, and this seems to be a theme. A card that comes out the previous day comes out again. It's to either re-emphasize and just to let you know that this energy is lasting a little longer. It's not just a daily fluctuation. This is going to be an energy that goes on maybe for the course of a couple weeks, a few days, depending on your situation. But the Chariot card comes out to say, we're ready to move on. We're ready to move forward. And the cards are just acknowledging that. The universe, who is speaking through this divination tool, is saying, I hear you. I know you are so ready to move towards the next step. We just want to make sure that as you do so, you're going to be happy and you're going to be peaceful and you're going to be able to make these moves from a place of inner contentment. But we hear you. We hear you and we want to help you move forward. The second card we got was the Justice card, and the Justice card is talking about several things. The first thing that I notice are the scales and then the sword, and this is talking about balance. It's talking about fairness. It's talking about regaining mental clarity, mental balance. If there's been anything within your mind, within your world that you felt just wasn't fair, just isn't serving you, that felt out of balance, today is a day to clearly examine those things. Again, the full moon is upon us. Choose what you want to release. And this full moon is in Libra. Libra is all about balance. Libra is about bringing you back into balance. So capitalize on this energy. Anything, again, within you, within your relationships, within your world, your habits that feels out of balance. Set your intention now that you are ready to release whatever needs to be released, ready to call in whatever needs to be called in to bring yourself back into that balanced state. You can also be talking about karma, justice, fairness, like what goes around comes around. If you have had good intentions, if you have been working hard on yourself, that's coming around to you. It is. Have faith that it will. The last card we got was the Star. This is talking about new beginnings. It's talking about life purpose. A few things that I notice within all of these cards is there's a duality. Okay, so the Chariot has the Black Sphinx, the White Sphinx, often talking about the past, the future, also often talking about the subconscious mind versus the conscious mind, or the superconscious mind, which is like your intuition. So there's two, right? Then you have the Scales and the Justice. Then in the Star, the two pitchers of water that she is pouring from, one represents the subconscious, one represents the conscious or the super conscious, where you are going next. It's just about finding balance between the two, making sure that your subconscious, your belief system aligns with where you are going and getting it all into alignment if you feel like a piece of it does not. We've been pulling a numerology card. The numerology card that we got today was number 37, time out. Again, just take a time out to set your intentions. Number 3 is talking about the ascended masters are watching over you. Everything is coming together. And the number 7, again, is spiritually. Spiritually, you are on the right path. It's all coming together. Give yourself some time today to just let it happen. So much love and light.